Firstly, we look at what the Pi lock is and what to do. After you pass identity verification, KYC, you can voluntarily lock up a portion of your transferable balance to earn a right to mine at a higher rate. The mining boost is calculated based on the amount of locked up Pi and lockup duration. I will display how to lock up your Pi, and if possible the percentage that you might need to lock up. If you are in a hurry, skip the video, otherwise pay attention step by step to get the most of it. Your choice. From the homepage of the Pi mobile app, you will find the Lockups button at the bottom. Now I need you to stop at this point. Let's carefully understand what we are supposed to be doing with the lockups. The right here reads as follows: lock up a portion of your transferable balance to mainnet to boost your mining rate. On March 14, 2022, lockup boosts go into effect with your commitment. Lockup settings will become binding upon commitment, meaning lockups cannot be lowered before your first mainnet transfer. This statement here is the main reason I said we should stop right here to understand what's going on. What this simply means is that when you lock up a portion of your transferable Pi, your mining rate will relatively increase. But this will only take effect on March 14, 2022 with your commitment. Once again, they emphasized here that you have to be committed to mining after you lock up. Surprised? The clause here is clear. Yes, you can lock your Pi to trees a certain percentage boost. But if you are not clicking daily as usual to mine, this might likely not apply. I am guessing, you now understand why I keep talking about pressing that button on a daily. So, despite the fact that you locked up your Pi, the rate boost still literally lies in your hands. Or should I say fingers? I want you also pay attention to this statement. If you have verified your identity, KYC, the first mainnet transfer will occur upon mainnet launch. Thereafter, transfers will occur periodically. Any updates made to your lockup configuration will take effect in your next mainnet balance transfer. Now let me go into the lockups proper. Please remember that this demonstration is solely my own lockup plan. It is not a general way to go about it, and is not intended to be a financial advice. You are welcome to use and implement this as your own strategy. The lockup percentage goes all the way from 25% to 200%. Please note that the 200% will allow you lock up twice the entire Pi that you have previously mined. But it is not available yet for implementation. Below the percentage is the lockup duration. This goes from 2 weeks to 3 years. Both of which will give the resulting mining boost. You really need to pay attention here. This will determine what will happen next in your journey with the Pi network. I will start by selecting the 25% lockup percentage. Then I will equally select the 2 weeks lockup duration. This means that you have selected 25% lockup boost rate for lockup percentage, and 10% lockup boost for duration. The result on average will be a 6.58% increase in your mining. The calculation is simple. The lockup percentage, which is 25% multiplied by the duration percent, which is 10%, multiplied by the number of time that you actually completed a mining circle alone. Alone means, without the help of your team. Hope this is crystal clear. I will not go into all the duration percent. But I will go straight to the one I feel is the best for me at this time. I will select 25% on lockup percentage. That way, I know I have 75% of my transferable Pi to mainnet. This will keep me ready for any other activities in the future. Either for trading, or for paying for goods and services. Then, I will select 1 year. My reason is simple. My mining rate will increase at 65% approximately, which will give me the opportunity to have 65% more speed for a year. Before I continue to commit to this selected lockup option, I want you to note this. Lockup duration countdowns will begin upon balance transfer to mainnet. Your previous lockups will affect your overall lockup reward. The lockup design and formula are subject to small changes. This means that your lockup will take effect as soon as your transferable Pi is in your wallet. And this is at mainnet. Also, if you have made changes or set another lockup option, it will change the overall mining boost result. To continue, I will scroll down and click on Commit. Here, I am asked to confirm commitment. And the message reads: by tapping Commit Lockup, your lockup configuration will immediately become binding and cannot be lowered before your mainnet transfer. Your Pi designated for lockups cannot be withdrawn until the lockup duration expires. Only a committed lockup configuration can start receiving lockup rewards to boost your mining rate, effective March 14, 2022. This is to reconfirm what I have explained at the course of this demonstration. Before I finally commit, I will go back and cross-check that my settings are correct and final. Then I head back and click Commit Lockup. At this point, I have successfully committed 25% of my transferable Pi to mainnet. If you are following step by step and you at this point with me, congratulations, you have successfully locked up your Pi and the journey has begun. The next step is to verify the lockup. I will head back to the home page and check the status. Once you are here, click on the Mining Bolt button. You will be greeted with this page. Simply scroll down to the link that says Preview New Mainnet Mining Simulation, click to select it. My mining rate is still in simulation at this time of recording the video. But when I scroll down, to boosters, notice that the lockup reward of 65% have been added. The next confirmation I need to do is at the Pi browser app. Open the Pi browser app and click on Wallet. When this opens up, you will need to sign into your wallet. On this page, you will see that the Pi mainnet is active, wallet balance is 0 Pi and locked up balance is equally 0. When you see any change, means that you have moved your transferable Pi to mainnet. And the only way this can happen is when you have successfully passed KYC. So get ready, and if you need help on how to prepare for KYC, I made a video about it. You can check that out. Remember, the more people in your team KYC, the more Pi can be transferred to mainnet from the non-transferable Pi. That's why I said in my previous videos, that Pi is interconnected. Also, make sure that from now on, you visit the Pi browser more often to check if KYC is open and ready. I will keep you updated about the transfer and KYC. So, keep watching this space. Subscribe if you have not done so. My name is Tony and this is Basic Knowledge. Until my next video. Keep mining.